subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा जिसमें मैं कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज यूज करूंगा जो मैंने आपको अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था. सो लेट्स सी हाउ डू वी सॉल्व दिस गिवन प्रॉब्लम. Question is written over here. If A, B, C are in AP, then prove that the given sequence A into 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, comma B into 1 upon C plus 1 upon A, comma C into 1 upon A plus 1 upon B are in AP. So you have to prove that sequence are in AP using A, B, C are in AP. So they have given that. Okay, so whatever is given, let's start from there. So given A, B, C are in AP. This is given. So now we can divide this AP by a fixed constant number. Okay, that would be A into B into C. So A upon A into B into C, B upon A into B into C, C upon A into B into C. These also are in AP. Now this is 1 upon BC, comma 1 upon AC, comma 1 upon AB are in AP. Again, now we can divide by multiply by a fixed constant number. In that case also the given sequence are in AP. So I am multiplying by a fixed constant number AB plus BC plus CA. So AB plus BC plus CA upon BC, comma AB plus BC plus CA upon AC, AB plus BC plus CA upon AB. These also are in AP. Okay, now I'm going to add minus 1 in each term. In that case also the given sequence also in AP. So AB plus BC plus CA upon BC minus 1, comma AB plus BC plus CA upon AC minus 1, comma AB plus BC plus CA upon AB minus 1. This also are in AP. Now solve this. So we'll get AB plus CA upon BC, and here AB plus BC upon AC, and here BC plus CA upon AB. These also are in AP. Now we can take common A. So here we have B plus C upon BC. Here we can take a B, so A plus C upon AC. Here we can take C. So here B plus A upon AB. This also are in AP. Now distribute this denominator. So we get A into 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. Here B into 1 upon C plus 1 upon A. Here C into 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. So this is also in AP. So we have done it. So we using those properties of arithmetic progression. So I hope you guys understand this solution, and such type there are many more problems, so you solve those problems. Okay, if you get any difficulty, okay, so you can comment it below, share the video, and we make one extra video for that question. Thank you.